finally went to Labasna after clearing the exam in my 4th attempt when I qualified for Indian Administrative Service. उससे पहले मैं लबासना एक बार और गया था. So in the mid of the training schedule for IS officers, there is a event called Inter Services Meet where all the services come together in Labasna in Mussoorie, and they play sports, play different types of games, cultural events, management games, all sort of events happen there. It's kind of an event which is organized by the academy to kind of develop a spirit of esprit de corps amongst the officers of belonging to different services, belonging to different states, belonging to different parts of the country, and even for that matter, there are a lot of people from Bhutan also. So I had gone there as part of representing my academy, National Academy of Audit and Accounts. I was in Indian Audit and Accounts Service of 2017 batch. So when I had gone there, I was asked to share my room with an IS officer. Very, very nice guy. He's in Gujarat cadre right now. He's, I think, 2 years senior to me. He made me feel at home. He spoke to me. I was really intimidated by all these IS officers around me. I had gone to a different academy. I was not feeling very homely there. I was completely lost. Like I could see people. I had missed the foundation course also. So, I could see people mingling with their friends, talking to them, enjoying, having a good time, But I was like all alone. There was the most difficult time of my training period. I could not interact with many people because I think it was all in my head. I was really intimidated, and I think it reminded me of what I set out to achieve, and what I was not able to achieve at that point of time. So we played all these games. I was part of management game. We won a silver medal also, I think, there. People on the last day, people wanted to buy track suits of Labasna, even for their family members, and then go. I decided that मैं नहीं खरीदूंगा because I will only wear a Labasna tracksuit when I actually belong here, when I have that entitlement of calling this academy my alma mater. And so I decided that I will not keep even a single memorabilia of Labasna with me, apart from the medal, of course, which I had won. And if at all I get a chance through my hard work to come to this academy, I will come here, and then I will explore everything that this place has to offer. So overall, although the people were really, really nice there, even the IS officers, all different services, all of them were really, really nice. But I could not feel myself at home there. And with those memories, with a heavy heart, I think I came back to my own academy and started preparing again. I think that also gave me a push of sorts to prepare even harder and get myself ready for the last attempt, for the 4th attempt, and do better in the exam. And so finally I was able to crack the exam with All India Rank 6, and I came to the academy. And पहला दिन मुझे अभी भी याद है, like I think we all got a mail from the academy welcoming us, a letter of sorts from our course director. He had welcomed us to the academy. He had given us a detail of कौन से कपड़े चाहिए, कौन से document चाहिए, क्या लेके आना है, क्या नहीं लाना है, minimum, maximum, everything. We all went to the academy. It was raining heavily. It was just pouring completely on that day. 3-4 लोग थे हम जयपुर से जो साथ गए थे. We had taken a flight from here. तो जिस दिन हम गए बहुत ही बारिश हो रही थी, but it was compulsory to complete all the formalities. There were a lot of formalities. कपड़े collect करो, forms जमा कराओ, account खुलवाओ, everything. Lot of things had to be done on that day itself, because the next day immediately the training was supposed to start, and it's a pretty rigorous training in that sense. तो हम जब वहाँ पे गए तो finally हमें पहले I card दिया, which had written Shubham Gupta IAS. Again, so all of us felt really proud of the fact that we had it in our hands, recognized by the government and the academy. Really funny, really silly now it seems, but it was a big moment for us that point of time. And फिर रूम की चाबी दी, डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिट करे, कपड़े वगैरह कलेक्ट किए. फाइनली वी वेंट टू आवर रूम्स, एंड दिस वाज द बिगिनिंग ऑफ फाउंडेशन कोर्स. Foundation courses last for about 100 days, and people from all the services come together and stay in the academy for those 100 days. It's called the foundation course because it's it's basically builds the foundation for all the officers, or I may say that all the aspirants to be groomed into officers in the academy. And what better place to do that than Labasna in Mussoorie. So I met my roommate, and my roommate was from the Indian Police Service, and what a nice guy he was. Like बड़ी दिक्कत होती है लवासना में, सुबह 5 बजे उठा के वो कहते हैं कि चलिए जाइए पीटी करिए, योगा करिए। सुबह 5 बजे उठना है तो अब 5-5 मिनट की फाइट है कि कौन पहले उठेगा, कौन दूसरे को बाद में भेजेगा, बिकॉज देयर इज ओनली वन बाथरूम यू हैव टू शेयर इट। सो ही वाज सच ए नाइस गाय, ही यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज वेक अप, गेट रेडी, सिट फॉर 10 minutes एंड ओनली वेक मी अप 10 minutes बिफोर वी हैड टू लीव, ताकि मेरी नींद खराब ना हो। सो ही वाज सच ए नाइस गाय, ही इज such a nice guy. I think because of him, my foundation course memories are really I have really fond memories of the foundation course. And I met my roommate. I knew a few people before, so we all went around, took a tour of the academy. कहाँ पे क्या है, थोड़ा बहुत समझ नहीं आया, थोड़ा बहुत disoriented हो रहे थे हम. It is a huge academy, you know. When we joined, there were 360 of us who had joined the academy at that point of time. तो कुछ हमने अपने आप से एक्सप्लोर करने की कोशिश की, डिस्पाइट द फैक्ट हमें पता था कि अगले दिन हमें टूर दिया जाएगा, बट डिस्पाइट दैट वी वांटेड टू एक्सप्लोर इट ऑन आवर ओन। तो हमने वो सब कुछ करने की कोशिश की, बट वो शायद ठीक है, जो भी था बहुत अच्छा लगा हमें, जस्ट टू रोम अराउंड द अकेडमी, गो इनटू द मेस, हैव फूड देयर with so many people, so many officers, I must say, that all around us. So it was totally different experience, a dream come true. With of course, like, I don't think Labasna can be explained without a mention of the beautiful Himalayan mountains that are visible from all over, all different corners of the academy. Like, you can see different peaks every single day, and you'll still be able to spot another one before that by the time you leave the academy. So it's such a beautiful place to be, you know. And of course, being in the service, it's an altogether cherry on top of the cake. So details about Labasna. जब आप Labasna में जाते हैं, so there is a 100 days foundation course, which I have already told you. After that, people from other services go to their respective academies, which are located in different parts. For example, IPS Academy Hyderabad में है, IRS IT नागपुर में है, Audit and Account शिमला में है. So people go to their different academies, and IAS people are left there only because उनकी alma mater Labasna ही है. So after the foundation course finishes, our professional course starts. IAS professional course starts. It lasts for about 4.5 to 5 months, in which we have different activities of trying to understand. It's a more specialized course. It's a more focused course on just IAS people. Rather than foundation course, which is more of a general understanding of what all subjects, what all things we have to face as officers in general, rather than service specific thing. So foundation course में क्या क्या होता है? Foundation course में थोड़ी बहुत पढ़ाई होती है, but I think more of that in foundation course, it's like college in formal clothes, college in suits, I may say. तो उसमें सब दोस्ती बनती है, बहुत सारे अच्छे आप you make friendships across services, you really डेवलप फॉन्ड मेमोरीज, बॉन्ड्स बन जाती हैं आपकी बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग लोगों के साथ. थोड़ी बहुत पढ़ाई भी आप करते हो, बट आई थिंक द पर्पस ऑफ फाउंडेशन कोर्स इज एक्चुअली नॉट टू टीच यू, बट टू टेल यू how to have that camaraderie, how to have that feeling of esprit de corps with your fellow officers, even when you go into the field. So to develop that kind of a bond is the real purpose of foundation course, and I think that purpose is really well fulfilled by the way the course is conducted in Labasna. तो जब आप जाते हैं तो वहाँ पे बिकॉज 350 होते हैं, तो वी आर डिवाइडेड इनटू 4 डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स, A, B, C, D. आप अपने ग्रुप से ज़्यादा क्लोज होते हो बिकॉज यू स्पेंड अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम विद योर ओन ग्रुप. देन यू मेक डिफरेंट पीपल इन डिफरेंट शॉर्ट ग्रुप्स ऑल्सो. डिफरेंट एक्सरसाइजेज के लिए आपको रैंडमली वो डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स में बांट देते हैं फॉर डिफरेंट एक्सरसाइजेज. एंड जैसे कुछ आपको डिसिप्लिनरी इंक्वायरी के ऊपर पढ़ाना है तो आपको अलग ग्रुप में बांट देंगे, जेंडर सेंसिटाइजेशन पर पढ़ाना है तो अलग ग्रुप में बांट देंगे. एंड बाय डूइंग दिस शफलिंग एंड सॉर्टिंग, दे बेसिकली इंश्योर दैट यू एंड अप interacting with everybody at least once, and I think they are pretty much capable of managing that. तो ये academics में होता है, different topics are covered, conduct rules, disciplinary cases, disaster management, elections, language पढ़ाई जाती है, lot of different things are taught, but just touched upon. They are nothing is being dealt with in great detail there, because of the fact, like I said, it is only to expose yourself to different subjects that you have to undertake, you know. तो वो सब कराते हैं. Then there is a beautiful 9 to 10 days of Himalayan trek. आई थिंक दिस इज़ द ट्रैक जब सबसे ज़्यादा दोस्ती बनती है आपकी, बिकॉज देखिए ट्रैक पे जब आप जाते हैं तो आपका फ़ोन नहीं चलता है, आपका फ़ोन चार्ज भी नहीं हो सकता है, तो आप गेम भी नहीं खेल सकते और आप किसी से बात भी नहीं कर सकते हो. तो यू आर फोर्स्ड टू टॉक टू ओनली 9 or 10 17-18 पीपल हु आर विद यू ड्यूरिंग दैट ट्रैक. And by doing this, by ensuring this, you are able to develop really fond memories and really great bonds, strong bonds with the people around you, which some of these bonds end up lasting a lifetime actually. कहा जाता है ना, सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छी दोस्ती एडवर्सिटी में बनती है, जब आपको मुश्किल होती है. और हिमालयन ट्रैक पे जब आप 25-30 किलो का बैग लेके चल रहे होते हो, पहाड़ों पे चढ़ रहे होते हो, तो उससे ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्टी उस समय पे तो और कुछ नहीं हो सकती है आपके लिए. तो वी डेवलप रियली ग्रेट बॉन्ड. सम पीपल इनफैक्ट बॉन्ड्स इतनी स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाती हैं कि सम पीपल एंड अप गेटिंग मैरिड टू ईच अदर ऑल्सो ड्यूरिंग दैट फेज हिमालयन ट्रैक. तो वो ख़त्म होता है, वापस आते हैं, ब्रीफिंग होती है, कुछ और मॉड्यूल होता है. देन वी आर ऑल सेंट फॉर अ विलेज विजिट. विलेज विजिट में आप एक गांव में जाके रहते हो. इट्स अ स्मॉलर ग्रुप, इट्स अ ग्रुप ऑफ 5 to 6 पीपल. आप गांव में जाके रहते हो, लोगों से बात करते हो. देयर आर डिफरेंट एक्सरसाइजेज विच आर वेरी स्ट्रक्चर्ड, जो आपको बताना होता है कि इसको इस तरह से करिए, इसको इस तरह से कीजिए. एंड इट्स आई थिंक अगेन अ 9 to 10 days थिंग. एंड पूरा एक हफ्ता आप गाँव में रहते हो, 2-3 दिन ब्रीफिंग वगैरह करते हो. आफ्टर 10 days यू कम बैक एंड यू हैव टू प्रेजेंट अ विलेज रिपोर्ट. तो विच इज़ अगेन आई थिंक वन ऑफ द मोस्ट फ्रूटफुल एक्सरसाइजेज विच हैपन्स इन लबसना. Because it really gives you a flavor of what kind of work you have to do, you know, or kind of give you an insight into what are the challenges that people in the villages or rural India are facing, and which you have to try to make some amends in, where you have to really bring in the change, you know. So वो एक जो insight है वो आपको foundation course में दे दी जाती है लबासना से. And I think probably this is the first and the last time, and probably I mean I don't know, maybe the first, but probably the last time for most of us, where we will actually go and stay in the field, you know, like you're living in the village for 7 days. जब हम जिस गांव में हम जाके रुके थे, we were a group of 6 people. जब जहाँ पे हम रुके थे वहाँ पे हमें चाय भी नहीं मिलती थी. Like we were put in a place where there was no mobile network. Like we were all sleeping in जो गांव में होती है ना, जो खाट होती है, जो कपड़े से बांध के जो बेड बनाया जाता है, दैट वाज द बेड दैट वी वर ऑल स्लीपिंग इन. एंड देयर वाज नो टी आल्सो गिवन टू अस. लाइक वी हैड टू गो 2 kilometers away walk if you wanted tea, apart from the normal 1, 2, 3 meals that we used to get. So it was kind of a very interesting experience. It told us like अगर गांव में लोगों को पानी भरने के लिए 2 किलोमीटर चलना पड़ रहा है, so what is the difficulty that they are encountering, you know. So they are giving us kind of an insight into, by making us face those difficulties that people face every day. Like we felt irritated even after 7 days, and people do it for their entire lifetimes. So those are the insights that we get from village visit. We come back from the village visit, again थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ाई वढ़ाई होती है. Then there is a big event of India Day. बीच में स्टेट डेज होते हैं, कोई महाराष्ट्र डे, जम्मू कश्मीर डे, नॉर्थ ईस्ट डे, different days are there, but last में it all culminates into just 1-2 day event called India Day. India Day पे there are different zones. 3-4 जोन में आपको पूरे देश को बांट देते हैं, वो सब ऑफिसर ट्रेनिंग्स को बांट देते हैं. And each zone has to perform, decorate the academy, decorate certain plays, make artifacts, रंगोली बनानी है, डांस परफॉर्मेंसेज, स्किट्स, सब कुछ प्रिपेयर करना है about that particular zone and the culture of that zone. And they have to perform in front of the stages, and ultimately you are judged on that as to which was the best performance, which was the best zone and all that. मुझे अभी भी याद है, मैं जब इंडिया डे हुआ था तो आई परफॉर्म भांगड़ा फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन माई लाइफ. मैं आई कांट इवन डांस प्रॉपरली एंड दैट डे आई परफॉर्म भांगड़ा एंड आई थिंक आई डिड डिसेंटली वेल. तो वो एक एक बहुत ही अच्छा मेमोरी है ऑफ द फाउंडेशन कोर्स. Apart from that, there is one more interesting event, AK Sinha Memorial Play, जिसमें 5-6 groups perform a skit, a play on the stage in Labasna. And I think the kind of talent, the kind of skills that you see there are really commendable. Like, people really put in hard work into to make that play, that 20-minute play, come out alive on the stage. So really great work done by people there. And after that, I think 1 or 2 weeks foundation course ends and all the people are ready to go to their respective academies and IS people stay back there. तो जब सब लोग जाते हैं तो बड़ा ही दुख होता है because and we are just left with 180 of us who are going to be with each other for the rest of our lives in the same service, so we keep interacting relatively more than as compared to the services. 360 से हम एकदम से 180 हो गए थे. तो like we suddenly felt a void in our lives. जब हमें लगा कि यार अब तो मज़ा ही नहीं आ रहा, बात करने का मन नहीं कर रहा, बहुत 100 दिन तो बहुत कम है और लंबा होना चाहिए, हमें क्यों छोड़ दिया, हम भी अपने अपने फील्ड में चले जाते. So we had different kind of thought. We were not very enthused, but I think like that's just the inertia of change. तो वो थोड़ा सा चेंज हुआ. 4-5 दिन में हम भी नॉर्मलाइज हो गए. वी स्टार्टेड एन्जॉइंग ईच अदर्स कंपनी. ग्रुप्स थोड़े चेंज हुए, थोड़ा चिप चॉपिंग ऑफ सम पीपल फॉर्म डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स, एंटर्ड इनटू डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स. सो थोड़ा बहुत ग्रुप बन जाता है बिकॉज यू कैन नॉट इंटरैक्ट, यू कैन नॉट बी very क्लोज फ्रेंड्स with 360 of us, so you end up having smaller groups of 5, 6, 10, 15 people. So that's what happened with most of us. फिर फेज़ 1 स्टार्ट होता है, प्रोफेशनल कोर्स. प्रोफेशनली देखा जाता है बहुत ही एकेडमिक हेवी होता है, मतलब एकेडमिक्स हेवी कोर्स होता है बहुत ज़्यादा. इट गोज़ ऑन आई थिंक टिल 4-4:30 इन द इवनिंग. उसके अलावा भी बहुत सारी एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ होती हैं. अच्छा, एक चीज़ मैं बताना भूल गया था, जब हम अकेडमी जाते हैं तो हमें 10-12 क्लब्स में डिवाइड किया जाता है. मैनेजमेंट क्लब, स्पोर्ट्स क्लब, ऑफिसर्स क्लब, मेस कमिटी, लॉट ऑफ आई थिंक 10-12 होते हैं. And all of us there is an election to elect the office bearers of each club, and people actually fight, people lobby to get themselves get votes for themselves for these clubs. And actually a lot of activities are organized by these clubs. Like I think every club ends up organizing at least 2 to 3 events in those 100 days itself. So it's the course is designed to keep us really busy in that sense, either with academics or with the extracurriculars. एंड तो फेज़ 1 जब शुरू हुआ तो फिर इट्स एकेडमिक्स में थोड़ा ज़्यादा जोर दिया जाता है. ऑफिस बेरर्स दोबारा से इलेक्ट होते हैं, ओनली अमंग्स IAS ऑफिसर्स नाउ. बट बिकॉज बाकी के सर्विसेज के लोग थोड़े कम हो जाते हैं एंड वी जस्ट रिड्यूस टू हाफ, तो स्पोर्ट्स में लोगों का इंटरेस्ट थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो जाता है बिकॉज देर आर लेसर पीपल टू हैंग आउट विद रिलेटिवली. सो बहुत अच्छी स्पोर्ट्स फैसिलिटीज़ हैं लवासना में. बैडमिंटन, टेनिस, स्क्वॉश, हॉर्स राइडिंग, yoga, TT, gym. So there are a lot of swimming pool also. There are a lot of sports activities and good coaches also for most of them. So you start to try to learn some of these sports, तो वही हमने भी किया. मैंने टेनिस उठा लिया था, किसी ने हॉर्स राइडिंग ले लिया, किसी ने कुछ ले लिया, एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स स्टार्टेड. एंड along with of course a rigorous course as compared to more rigorous course as compared to foundation course, जिसमें बहुत सारे एस्पेक्ट्स को डील किया जाता है. एंड फ्रॉम द पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, फ्रॉम द पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ऑफ IAS ऑफिसर्स की डिजास्टर में आपको क्या करना है. अगर एक बस खाई में गिर जाती है तो व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू डू इन दैट मोमेंट. सो इट्स मोर ऑफ अ केस स्टडी बेस्ड अप्रोच to teach us to put us exactly in that situation and trying to get responses from us and probably telling us what is the best thing to do, what is the ideal thing to do in that moment, right? So वो सब हमें सिखाया जाता है लवासना में. and I think मेरे लिए if I have to pick one moment as to what was the best lecture or what was the best thing that happened with me, I think there was a lecture by an IPS officer of, I think he's Uttar Pradesh cadre, I'm not very sure. His name is Shaleen. And he came and he started talking to us on one of those days in the foundation course. And he started, like we were all just looking at his presentation, we were all very, कि ठीक है आप पता नहीं क्या बोलेंगे, doesn't seem so interesting. People were just starting to get disinterested, and suddenly he just like he captured our attention so much. He told us so much about real life. Like he told us marks that don't matter so much, how much motivated you are in life, how mentally aware you are in the situation in the field, what things really matter. He told us what all things really matter in the field, you know. So those were like really insightful ideas for all of us. Those were life changing for few of us. He got us motivated to an extent that I think that was the only time in the entire 9 months of my training there that any officer, any guest speaker was given a standing ovation by all the officers there. So I think a game-changing, life-changing lecture for all of us. We learned a lot, we got motivated a lot, and that day I think we were reminded again that you all have become officers from aspirants. So start looking at things from officers' point of view. You will be responsible for the lives and changes in the lives of so many people. So you have to start looking at the bigger picture, and that's I think was life changing for me. Anyway, so जब फिर phase 1 खत्म हो जाता है, फिर हम लोग we are all sent to our different state academies. Every state has its own training academy, and then from there we go on to different districts. तो जब जाते हैं, जब last day होता है, तो it is a very emotional moment for all of us because 24 घंटे एक दूसरे के साथ आप रहते हो for about 8.5 to 9 months, you know. So it's a pretty long period. It becomes part of your lifetime. You start looking at life from the perspective of those fellow officers and also the place, which is Labasna. And to leave that place and just go into a different place, most of us have not got our home cadres. So to go to a totally different state, new state also, where you have never even been in your life, it's a completely different experience. It's you know, it's kind of you don't feel very accepted. You find it very difficult to accept the idea of belonging to that new state, belonging to that new place. So, and also of course you lose out on you are leaving a lot of friends behind, with whom you will not be able to be in touch as much as you were able to in Labasna as such. तो वो जो feeling है, the feeling of nostalgia, the feeling of friendship, that really becomes emotional. A lot of people become emotional on the last day. And one more thing, actually phase 1 जब FC खत्म होता है, and Labasna also understands that अब ये 360 से 180 हो गए हैं, so there is certain kind of void create हो गया academy में. So they immediately pack us up and send all of us in groups of 18-19 people to a 49 days tour of the entire country, which we call the Bharat Darshan. Winter study tour come Bharat Darshan, and I think it's one of the best experiences one can have in life, with 18-19 of our batchmates roaming around the entire country. Like I think either generally you travel the west coast or the east coast. There are 10 groups who travel simultaneously to different parts of the country, and it's just a different experience, you know. So in my case, I was able to travel to Jammu Kashmir देखा मैंने, फिर I went to Goa, फिर I went to Lakshadweep, I went to Bangalore, Bombay, Pune, Beed, Aurangabad, Jalgaon, Gadchiroli, Bhopal, Delhi. I might have missed out on a couple of cities. So it was really a life changing. I mean, I think सब लोगों के देश देखने का सपना उस दिन पूरा करा ही देते हैं वो. उस पीरियड में पूरा करा देते हैं वो 40-50 दिन का जो टूर होता है आपका. आई थिंक वन ऑफ द बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस एनीवन कैन हैव इन लाइफ इज द भारत दर्शन. हाउ हैज़ Labasna helped me become an officer from an aspirant. मुझे लगता है just by like there is so much to learn from each other. Like some people come from different backgrounds, so they teach you like people come from rural areas, people come from urban areas, people come from families which have a legacy of bureaucracy, तो आप उन सब से इतने different experiences they culminate together in the form of this one academy, and they tell you how to experience, how to achieve, how to accept different viewpoints. They make you more patient, they make you more accepting, they make you a better listener, if I may. And of course, knowledge. You could not imagine so many resource people coming together on a single platform just to speak to all of us. You could not have. If you start individually, it will become very, very difficult for all of us. So all those things coming together, and of course, there are a lot of life skills which are being taught to us, like how is an officer supposed to behave, what this one person did. So you learn from the personal experiences of lot of faculty who is posted there, from of course, like I said, your fellow officer trainees, and different. I mean, I think it's just that there's so many different things which are happening there at the same time, that once you start imbibing all those into one single person, the person becomes an officer from an aspirant. Like you just end up learning so much that without you even realizing the changes that are happening in your personality, by the time you finish those 8 to 9 months of training and come to the field, you are a totally different person. You become much more receptive to whatever people are saying. You become much more sensitive to things happening around you, and that is pretty much what is expected from an officer. Like you have to listen to the people, you have to understand what is happening around you, you have to understand the difficulties faced by the people, and if you are able to do all that, you pretty much will be able to deal with the problems around you, and I think that is where really the change in gears from an aspirant to an officer happens really.